Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 6b, questions 1 to 3 of chapter 6. Chapter name is Decimals of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics Textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise 6b, questions 1 to 3 of chapter decimals, and topics are standard form of decimals, expanded form of decimals. Let's solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 1. Question number 1 is write the standard form. First bit is 6 tenths. 6 tenths is 6 divided by 10. So standard form of 6 tenths is 0.6. Second bit B, 23 and 6 tenths. Standard form of 23 and 6 tenths is 23 plus 0.6 equal to 23.06. 23.6. 23.06 equal to 23.6. 23 and 6 tenths. Third bit 8 hundredths. Standard form of 8 hundredths is 0.08. D, 9 plus 0.04. Standard form of 9 plus 0.04 is 9.04. E, 42 and 87 thousandths. Standard form of 42 and 87 thousandths is 42 plus 0.87 equal to 42.087. F, 1/10 thousandths. Standard form of 1/10 thousandths is 0.00001. G, 19 and 62 thousandths. Standard form of 19 and 62 thousandths is 19 plus 0.062 equal to 19.062. H, 598 ten thousandths. Standard form of 598 ten thousandths is 0.00598. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is write the standard form. First bit is 1 divided by 10 plus 9 divided by 100. Standard form of 1 divided by 10 and 9 plus 9 divided by 100 is 1 divided by 10 is 0.1 and 9 divided by 100 is 0.09. So 0.1 plus 0.09 is 0.19. B, 5 divided by 10 plus 2 divided by 100 plus 9 divided by 1000. Standard form of 5 divided by 10 plus 2 divided by 100 plus 9 divided by 1000 is 5 divided by 10 is 0.5, 2 divided by 100 is 0.02, 9 divided by 1000 is 0.09, 0.009. So 0.5 plus 0.02 plus 0.009 is 0.529. C, 40 plus 8 plus 6 divided by 10 plus 3 divided by 100. Standard form of 40 plus 8 plus 6 divided by 10 plus 3 divided by 100 is 40 plus 8 is 48 plus 6 divided by 10 is 0.6 and 3 divided by 100 is 0.03. So 48 plus 0.6 plus 0.03 is 48.63. Now D bit. 700 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 10 plus 7 divided by 100. Standard form of 700 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 10 plus 7 divided by 100 is 700 plus 4 is 704. 3 divided by 10 is 0.3 and 7 divided by 100 is 0.07. So 704 plus 0.3 plus 0.07 is 700.37. E. 8 plus 3 divided by 100. Standard form of 8 plus 3 divided by 100 is 8 plus 0.03 equal to 8.03. F. 6 divided by 10 plus 8 divided by 1000 is standard form of 6 divided by 10 plus 8 divided by 1000 is 6 divided by 10 is 0.6 and 8 divided by 1000 is 0.008. So 0.6 plus 0.008 is 0.608. Now we solve question number G bit. G. 1 divided by 10 plus 8 divided by 100 plus 3 divided by 10,000 is standard form of 1 divided by 10 plus 8 divided by 100 plus 3 divided by 10,000 is 1 divided by 10 is 0.1, 8 divided by 100 is 0.08 and 3 divided by 10,000 is 0.0003. So 0.1 plus 0.08 plus 0.0003 is 0.1803. H. 9 plus 0.3 plus 0.07 plus 0.009. Standard form of 9 plus 0.3 plus 0.07 plus 0.009 is 9.379. I. 0.3 plus 0.005 plus 0.0007. Standard form of 0.3 plus 0.005 plus 0.0007 is 0.303057. 0.3057. 0.3057. Now I bit. 500 plus 60 plus 8 plus 0.06 plus 0.008. Standard form of 500 plus 60 plus 8 plus 0.06 plus 0.008 is 500 plus 60 plus 8 is 568 and 0.06 plus 0.002 is 0.062. So 568.062. K. 8 plus 0 divided by 10 plus 0 divided by 100 plus 0 divided by 1000 plus 3 divided by 10,000 each. Standard form of 8 plus 0 divided by 10 plus 0 divided by 100 plus 0 divided by 1000 plus 3 divided by 10,000 is 8.0 divided by 10 is 0.0, 0 divided by 100 is 0.00 and 0 divided by 1000 is 0.000 and 3 divided by 10,000 is 0.0003. So 8 plus 0 divided 8 plus 0.0 plus 0.00 plus 0.000 plus 0.0003 equal to 8.0003. 8.0003. Now we solve question number 3. Question number 3 is write in expanded form. First bit is 35.987. Expanded form of 35.987 is 35 is 30 plus 5 and 0.987 is 0.9 is 9 divided by 10 plus 8 divided by 100 plus 7 divided by 1000. Or you can write 30 plus 5, 9 divided by 10 is 0.9 plus 8 divided by 100 is 0.08 plus 7 divided by 1000 is 0.007. This is the expanded form of 35.987. Then B 0.3. Expanded form of 0.3 is 0 plus 3 divided by 10. 3 divided by 10 is expanded form of 0.3. Now third bit C 4.7. Expanded form of 4.7 is 4 plus 7 divided by 10. 4 plus 7 divided by 10, or you can write say 4 plus 0.7. D 4.78. Expanded form of 4.78 is 4 plus 7 divided by 10 plus 8 divided by 100, or we can write 4 plus 0.7 plus 0.08. E 0.996. Expanded form of 0.96 is 0 plus 9 divided by 10 plus 6 divided by 100, or we can write 0 plus 0.9 plus 0.06. This is the expanded form of these numbers. Now F bit 0.215. Expanded form of 0.215 is 0 plus 0.2 is 2 divided by 10, 0.01 is 1 divided by 100, and 0.005 is 5 divided by 1000. Or we can write 0 plus 2 divided by 10 is 0.2, 1 divided by 100 is 0.01, and 5 divided by 1000 is 0.005. G 6.149. Expanded form of 6.149 is 6 plus 1 divided by 10 plus 4 divided by 100 plus 9 divided by 1000. Or we can write 6 plus 1 divided by 10 is 0.1, 4 divided by 100 is 0.04, and 9 divided by 1000 is 0.009. This is the expanded form of 6.149. Now H bit 49.06. Expanded form of 49.06 is 49 is 40 plus 9, and 0.06 is 0 divided by 10 plus 6 divided by 100. Or we can write 40 plus 9 plus 0.0 plus 0.06. I bit 947.068. Expanded form of 947.068 is 947 is 900 plus 40 plus 7 plus 0 divided by 10 plus 6 divided by 100 plus 8 divided by 1000. Or you can write 900 plus 40 plus 7 plus 0.0 plus 0.06 plus 0.008. These are the expanded form of 947.068. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.